Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Buick Verano Convenience Group, stock number Z7655A. 47,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Verano brand new, Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Verano is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This convenience group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Verano has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. All of that with new tires. For more information on this Verano, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.